A Swedish engineer named Sven Winquist stood in his factory in 1907, watching machines still moving at the same sluggish pace they had for decades, even though he had just perfected the ball bearing that should have changed everything. His invention was elegant and effective, reducing friction to a fraction of what it had been before. Yet, factory owners across Europe remained skeptical and slow to adopt the technology. The problem wasn't the bearing itself, but the entire ecosystem around. Existing machines had been built with loose tolerances and crude designs that couldn't properly harness the bearing's potential. A factory owner who installed Winquist's bearings into an old machine found that other bottlenecks suddenly emerged: misaligned shafts, worn gears, and inadequate lubrication systems that the bearing alone couldn't fix. The real revolution required not just one innovation, but a complete reimagining of how machines were designed, manufactured and assembled with precision standards that didn't yet exist. Winquist realized that solving the friction problem was like removing a single brick from a wall. It exposed all the structural weaknesses behind it, rather than making the whole edifice stronger. Factory automation required a symphony of synchronized improvements, standardized parts, precision manufacturing tools, trained engineers, and capital investment that most manufacturers couldn't afford or understand. His story became a quiet lesson that echoes through innovation history. The greatest breakthroughs often fail, not because they don't work, but because the world around them isn't ready to work with them.